Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Jamie G here again. Thank you very much for joining me in today's video. What I'm covering today is a very simple technique anyone can use to get more results out of their affiliate campaigns. I'm going to take you through a couple of things that I use and a couple of things that you can implement in your own business to exasperate your affiliate commissions when you promote an offer. Look forward to seeing you guys on the inside. Welcome back, guys. Thanks very much for joining me. So what are we talking about today? It's a very simple way, like I say, to grow your affiliate commissions. It's not rocket science. It does take a little bit of extra work, and it will be worth your time and effort because it does make your results a lot better than if you're just directly sending people to an affiliate link. What am I talking about exactly? Bonuses. Woo, yay, bonuses. Now, if you're unfamiliar with that whole concept, basically, if you think about it in the offline world where you go to buy something, if, for example, you're buying an item of clothing and I'm not that fashionable, so I don't really know what I'm talking about here, but let's say, for example, that you're looking at, I don't know, a hoodie. I don't know, that's something that I wear, so maybe wear it, maybe not, who knows. But you're looking at buying a hoodie and they've got some sort of deal on at the moment, so instead of paying $50 for a hoodie, you pay $50 and you get a pair of Nike socks thrown in, or whatever the case may be. Same deal applies with the online world. Now, you can imagine that a lot of the products that come out, they already are really great. Sometimes the vendor will actually have their own bonuses that do go along with those as well. What we're going to do is use a very simple tool that I use in my business called Commission Gorilla to build a very simple bonus page and deliver bonuses when someone actually buys through our affiliate link. So I'm just going to go through and show you, and I've already done these types of things before in one of my earlier videos in terms of launch jacking, which is quite simply just creating a piece of content such as an article or a video and getting that ranked for a keyword that doesn't yet exist because the product has yet to be launched. So if you can imagine that sometimes these products have sort of funny names, like Flickr, there's one, it's an odd name. You wouldn't ever think to rank a keyword for Flickr, but obviously when that photo sharing site came out, hence why it didn't exist if you said something like Flickr review. Sorry, I know it's a really bad analogy, but you kind of get the idea, right? Review, bonus, scam, things like that. They don't yet exist until the product comes out. And in doing so means that it's very easy to rank for because there's only a very small amount of competition there. Anyway, here's what we're looking at. Commission Gorilla. So basically what it does is, and I'm going to go through it in a minute, I'll show you exactly what I do and how I use it. Plus the bonuses I'm going to include if you do decide to pick up Commission Gorilla for yourself. Now, Commission Gorilla actually comes with a whole bunch of pre-built bonuses included, but what I'm going to do is add some additional ones on top of that so you get basically more bang for your buck. Anyway, that's the sales page. I'm not going to go through that. I'll let you go through that in your own time. There's a link below which is going to direct you to this page. They do have a special on at the moment. You can actually trial it for $1, and I think I'm paying something like $40 a year or something like that. It's not exactly a huge investment if you do decide to go past the trial date. I can't remember if it's 30 or 60 days, but like I say, $1 trial, you can't really go wrong. Plus 50% off there. There you go. Anyway, just going to go inside and have a look at what it looks like on the inside. Now, I'm in the midst of building a bonus page. It takes me about half an hour to build the initial one, and then once you get all the pieces all together, it's really simple. You just basically copy and change the affiliate links and a bit of the writing. So anyway, this is the bonus page I'm working on. There's actually a launch coming out in the next couple of days, which I'm going to be a part of. It is for a piece of software called Viral Suite. Keep a lookout for that. What I'm going to do is basically they've got well, it's going to be a huge promotion anyway by the looks of it, but they actually do have like a pre-registration, so I'm going to get people to sign up for that, and I'm going to be offering bonuses if they do end up buying Viral Suite. Now, what I've done here, and as you can see, this is all really straightforward. It's super easy to use. You just put in what they call a block. So each one of these is a block. That's a text block, that's an image block, video block. Obviously, there's a line, a spacer there. And you've got all these things here, so nice and easy call to action button, and they look really neat. I mean, look at how kind of compact that is, how neat it looks, and I just made that graphic on canva.com. I've used the video from Viral Studio themselves, just a demonstration of the actual software. So what my plan is I've got a chat bot and I've got an email list. So I'm going to send a couple of emails to my list, basically just get them involved, see if it is something that's going to help them. I am yet to go through the software myself, but from what I can understand, it's going to be pretty good in terms of, I guess, finding viral content and then adding that viral content to your own social media pages and then putting your own links on them. So something that's already viral obviously means that you can go viral in about a minute yourself if you're modeling off something else that's already working. So anyway, this is what you do. You just grab the details of the from the page itself, and obviously you just put a bit of writing in. Now, because this is a bonus page, what I do is I have a full disclosure about what the person's getting into. So if they come to this page, they're going to see that, okay, the front end is going to cost me 23 bucks. And then I've got a whole bunch of upsells along the way. Now, normally with upsells or OTOs, one-time offers, they are there to essentially benefit the end user. They are there to complement the actual front-end product. I've seen there are rare cases where they don't do that. They just want to make more money, so they add something random in. From what I've seen, I haven't gone right through it as yet, but it does look pretty good so far. But in this case, what they're doing is they've actually got it's not a dime sale necessarily, but what they're doing is offering it for 23 bucks to start with. That's going to go up every single hour until it finally hits $47, and there it will stay. So anyway, this isn't finished. I'm just going through it at the moment, doing some stuff, but these are all the bonuses I've included. Now, if you do want to grab a trial of Commission Gorilla yourself to see how it can work in your business and basically how you can use these types of bonuses, what I've actually got for you guys is something pretty cool. I'm going to show you in a minute, but I'm just going to go through this. So these are all the bonuses that I've included as part of this particular thing. So if someone comes along, they see my page, they see, obviously I'm going to do a review video of the product over the next couple of days as well on this channel. And if they see that, they'll go, okay, that sounds like a pretty cool product. I want to check that out. Then hopefully if they come to this page, they'll see a bit of a demo, and then they'll see all the bonuses I'm offering. And in doing so, if they click through, they buy the product, I obviously make more commissions. And obviously if you were to take up using Commission Gorilla yourself, you'd be able to replicate this to help you guys out. What I'm also going to throw in here is my own Commission Gorilla bonus stack. Okay, now there's a whole bunch of bonuses that you can use in here. Banking with bonuses, Bing Ads Mastery, CPA Income Crusher, Traffic Explosion, Influence, blah, 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 blah. Anyway, a whole bunch of stuff, right? So anyway, you can then use all of these yourself if you choose to. If you do pick up a copy of Commission Gorilla, all these will be included on the thank you page, which can be found on JVZoo. If you go right down the bottom after you've purchased your subscription to Commission Gorilla, not here, obviously this is not going to show up here, although I can give you a link so you can copy this exact page if you choose to as well. But what you can do is go, where are we? Got my goofy little face, there we go. Alrighty, so because this is on JVZoo, your purchase will come up like this, and then underneath here is where you can access your bonus content, yeah? So nice and easy. So anyway, that's that. Basically, I just wanted to go through that. Like I say, I use this with the launches that I get involved with, which aren't sort of few and far between at the moment, to be honest. But it is a fantastic way to supplement whatever affiliate product that you're promoting. And although this was originally designed for using on the likes of JVZoo and Warrior Plus, there's really nothing stopping you from using it on other platforms, other networks as well. The only difference being is that instead of it being automatically delivered to the end user or the customer when they buy the product through your link, instead they'll probably just have to send you an email. You just have to flick them the actual link to the bonuses that you've put in as part of that. So like I say, it does come with 25 built-in bonuses yourself that you can use. Alternatively, you can use the ones that I've offered as well, and you'll find that there's a bit of a range there, so they do complement a lot of affiliate products that are coming out, and because of that, they do offer fantastic value. So anyway, that's that. I hope you guys got some value out of that. If you did like this, please stick around. Feel free to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay up to date with everything I'm going to be putting out. Once again, my name is Jamie G, and thank you very much for joining me. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.